now I lost $17,199 trading SPY. Let me just say, this is by far the worst trading I've done. I really don't know what happened to me. I broke so many rules, and with grandma having so many heart attacks, I think this might be the one that might take her out. So I'll be accepting all types of donations, so with that being said, make sure to sign up with my Webull link in the description below and get yourself some free stock. So this past week I lost a total of $17,199. So you're welcome, your puts were saved by me. Okay, but in all honesty, I decided to dabble my feet into day trading because I was like, well, I've heard people say they make a lot of money day trading. So I was like, this week I'll give it a go. Man, not only did I break my own rules, but mentally I just wasn't there. It felt nice when I saw the price going up, but I felt like I was just hoping for more profits. But that was probably the worst thing I could ever. What? That's probably the worst thing I could have ever done. So most day traders use what's called options. So what are options? Basically, if you think a stock is going to go up, you buy a call option. If you buy a put option, you think the stock will go down. Let me show you how I lost $17,199 trading SPY. So around 12:40, I bought in because I saw that SPY was on the 20-day moving average. And to be honest, in my head, I was like, okay, pretty much the whole day SPY has been beat. I think maybe, just maybe, SPY might try to break the 50-day moving average and possibly reverse to the upside. Man, I was wrong. SPY just kept getting beat, and around 12:50 I sold, and I was like, okay, maybe I can bring it back. I was wrong. Then around 1:19 p.m. I bought a couple call options because I saw that SPY was exactly on the 9-day moving average, and was like, okay, hopefully the next couple of candles they can touch the 20-day moving average. If it does, I'm selling, but I was wrong again. So around 1:54 p.m. I sold because I was like, yeah, I give up. This thing just keeps on getting beat, and mentally I just gave up. I was like, wow, grandma's gonna be so proud. I really thought, wow, no wonder grandma keeps getting heart attacks when I tell her I lost her actual life savings. To be honest, I was pretty much upset because I was kind of questioning myself and was trying to think why I didn't use my strategy where, okay, if my option is down 5%, I should exit out of my trade. I completely ignored my own strategy, and to be honest, I felt like an idiot the whole day. But guess what? This idiot has other plans, and I was like, I have no other choice, and do what's best, and that is to sell pots. Flower pots, that is. Or to be honest, I just might sell actual pots. Then around 2:48 p.m., I bought into SPY and was like, okay, it's time to make the comeback. SPY is finally going back up. It's been respecting the 9-day moving average at least. It's been respecting the 9-day moving average these last couple of minutes. In my opinion, I thought, okay, this SPY can carry this momentum of respecting the 9-day moving average. I can sell it at the 180-day moving average. Man, was I wrong. That's when a couple minutes passed by, and around 3:10 p.m. I sold because I was like, yeah, I give up. There's no way this just happened. It's literally like a baseball game. 3 strikes and you're out. Well, then again, good thing this isn't real money, or else I'd be financially ruined. Sort of like grandma right now. One more strike and she's out. Also, I totally forgot to mention this. So, what is the 9-day moving average? A buy signal is generated when the price moves above the 9-day moving average, while a sell signal is triggered when the price moves below the 9-day moving average. The strategy aims to capture short-term momentum in the market. Basically, if a stock is above the 9-day moving average, it signals an uptrend. If a stock is below the 9-day moving average, it signals a downtrend. So my game plan for Monday is to possibly sell my Apple calls for a loss and use that money to gain back all of my losses from Apple and SPY. Or I can see if I can just use whatever's left of buying power and see if I can make a comeback. Honestly, I just might actually do that instead, but I'll see what I can do. So, lesson learned is if you can't trade 0-day options, don't trade them. But then again, everyone is different, everyone has different strategies. Me personally, I got dropped on my head when I was a baby, so that might be part of the reason why I didn't do so good. Because probably the effects of brain damage are starting to appear. Also, this is part of the reason why I think trading options is very, very, very dangerous if you're just a beginner. I feel like if you don't understand the concept of options, you shouldn't trade them. But I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to do, but I feel like me personally, I'm a beginner in the stock market thing. I really don't know, what's right, what's wrong, but I feel like I'm kind of a fast learner, but honestly, that week, I just don't know what was going on with me. And as of right now, I'm still a little iffy. I'm not 100% there, I guess you could say, but I feel like if you're going to trade options, be very careful. It is very dangerous. Me personally, I wanted to see if I could actually make, if I were to have a real account, could I actually grow that real account with, in a short time frame, or could I make a living off that? And, just trading this with fake money, it made me realize like it is mentally draining, I feel like, in a way. I feel like if you don't have a strategy that can back you up in case you're like losing a lot of money or you're down a lot of money, then you're in trouble, really, if you're trading options. But I feel like if you have a somewhat good strategy, you should be fine. But I feel like, in a way, trading options is very risky, very dangerous. I feel like options are gambling in a way. Meanwhile, if you invest into stocks, like that's a different thing. Well, that is, if you invest into penny stocks, that's more like gambling because you're betting that penny stock will go up 100%, which, I mean, it could, but then again, it's risky, you never know. Meanwhile, if you invest into like big stock companies like Apple, Google, Microsoft, Nvidia, and etc., like you'll do good over the long term, but you won't see like huge returns in that same year. I mean, unless you invested into Nvidia a couple years back, but that's besides the point. I feel like if you're gonna trade options, be very careful. Have a strategy that you can rely on, and yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm not sure if I already said this, but this is not financial advice. And yeah, guys, see you later. Take care. Bye. But what do you guys think about day trading options? Do you guys prefer option trading, or do you prefer to invest in the long term? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, let me know how you would have traded SPY. This concludes the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Get yourself some free stock when you sign up with my Webull link in the description below or wherever you're seeing this. As always, take care everyone, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, this is not financial advice. Alright, see you guys. Take care. Bye.